Hi my friends, after 10 days since we proposed this challenge, we have a winner. As you know, the prize is my book, Album of 100 Mechanical Parts. And the winner is the same Alex Carretney, who also won the previous contest. My problem is that I already sent the same prize to Alex, and there is no point in sending it to him again. I'll discuss with him to see what can we do in this situation. Now let me show you also the drawing made by Alex, and as you can see we have some dimensions, sections and so on, not all of the necessary dimensions, but we see that the work is very well done. The part is here and you see how it looks. We can also make a section by using view, half section view, half section view, and I start from this face to see something inside. I searched all the elements here and I can say that it is okay. Yes, there are many features here, but all of it is okay. This is a plane which must be hide. Good. Let me send congratulations to Alex for his hard work, because it was not easy, and you can study his work by using my link here and download the name of this tutorial. That's all for today. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.